Students, today we will discuss another thermodynamic quantity, that is work. Another thermodynamic quantity, work. Work is represented by W. Our question: what is work? Work is another form of energy. What is work? Work is the displacement of an object occur in the direction of applied force. Work is the displacement occur, that means small change in length, in the direction of applied force. How much force you apply? According to force, the substance or object shows some displacement. This is known as work done. Work is said to be done when some displacement occur in any object under the application of applied force. Beta, units of work is also joule. Unit of work is also joule because it is a form of energy also. Then beta, there are two types of work: electrical work and mechanical work. Electrical work is generalized force, that is the electromotive force is applied in electrical work done. That is the electromotive force. Generalized force is electromotive force, and generalized displacement is the quantity of charge. Is the quantity of charge. This force is represented by F. Quantity of charge is represented by N. N is the number of moles of electron, that is the quantity of charge. And this is force in case of work done, also represented by EMF of cell, and electromotive potential of the cell, that is the E cell. So electrical work done is NF E cell. This concept is not necessary. In your syllabus, only this one, electrical work done is equal to EMF into quantity of charge. Now mechanical work. Mechanical work is occur in two forms: work of expansion and work of contraction. First of all, work of expansion or contraction occur only and only in case of gases. That means application of this work done, that is the work of expansion or work of contraction, always occur in case of gas. Let me discuss. Suppose we have a container filled with any gas. We have a container filled with any gas, fitted with the piston up to this level. Fitted with the piston up to this level. When we apply some external force, this piston start to move down. If external pressure is greater than gaseous pressure, then work of contraction take place. If gaseous pressure is greater than external force, work of expansion take place. And this is the change in length under the application of applied force. Let P is the external force applied on the gas. Area of cross section of the vessel. Area of cross section of vessel is A centimeter square. Is centimeter square. Displacement occur or change in length beta change in length dl, change in length, that is dl. Now further, how will these phenomena will be converted into work done, that is the mechanical work or work of expansion or work of contraction. How will you explain this? Change in length in centimeter because area is in centimeter. Now beta, what is pressure? Pressure is force per unit area. From here we will calculate force. Force is pressure into area of cross section. And we want to calculate work done, work of expansion or work of contraction. Work done is force into change in length. Our change in length is dl. Change in length is dl. So put here, what is force? Pressure into area. Multiply by small change in length. Area into change in length is represented by change in volume. Beta, area into change in length represented by small change in volume. Area is the length into breadth into height. That is change in volume. So our work done is slightly changed. If small change in volume, work done is also slightly changed. For the gases, we will understand that for the gases, there is small change in volume from V1 to V2. If small change in length, small change in volume. Volume change from V1 to V2. Hence, this equation may be written like this. Integration of change in volume, change in work done is equal to change in pressure and into change in volume from V1 to V2. Change in work done W1 to W2. Now, constant do not have any integration, so constant moves out. Integration will take place only for changing the physical quantity. So we may write W2 minus W is equal to delta W. Delta W means change in work done, that is simple work done represented by W. Pressure does not remain change, it remains same. And volume change from V1 to V2. So change in volume become equal to V1, V2 minus V1. So our volume is P delta V because V2 minus V1 is equal to change in volume. Complete change in volume. How much the volume before the pressure apply and what is the volume after the pressure apply. If work of contraction take place, when we apply pressure, work of contraction take place, sign of work done is positive. Beta, positive P delta V for work of contraction. For work of contraction. But if we apply pressure through piston downward, but gaseous pressure is greater, so piston moves out. That means work of expansion take place. We apply pressure in this direction and displacement occur in opposite direction. That means W is negative. For work of expansion. For work of expansion. Beta, work is state function or path function? Work is state function or path function? Our answer, work is not a state function. Beta, if it is state function, our answer is delta W. But this is not the answer. Work is the physical quantity that does not depend upon initial and final state. It will follow the path from which initial state change into final state. So, work is not a state function. Beta, it is a path function. In your syllabus, only two quantities, work and heat, are the path function. Other all quantities are state function. You have work, path function. Another one is the heat. It is also path function. Beta, this is all about the work. That is the second physical quantity. Now, third physical quantity is the heat. Heat is represented by small q. What is heat? First of all, our first line, it is the form of energy that will transfer from one stage to another, one process to another, from system to surrounding. Why it will change? Why heat will change from system to surrounding or surrounding to system? We can say heat is the form of energy that can exchange between system and surrounding due to difference in the temperature. If system has more temperature, heat will transfer from system to surrounding. If surrounding has more temperature as compared to system, then system can absorb the heat from surrounding to system. It is the mode of energy. Heat is the mode of energy that can exchange between system and surrounding. Why it is changed? Due to difference in temperature. Due to different temperature. Now, beta, heat, it is already given you that heat is the path function, not it is a state function. Beta, heat can transfer from system to surrounding or surrounding to system. Units of heat. Beta, heat is also the form of energy. Units are joules nowadays, but before units are Kelvin. 1 Kelvin is equal to 4.184 joule. 1.481 joule. Now, signs of heat. Beta, if heat is given out from the system into surrounding, if heat is given out from system to surrounding, Q is negative. Sign of Q is negative. If heat is absorbed by the system, beta, heat absorbed by the system, from surrounding, then Q is positive. If heat is given out, that means reaction is exothermic. For exothermic reaction, Q is negative. Heat is absorbed, that means endothermic reaction. For endothermic reaction, heat is positive. Now, heat is path function. Beta, heat is a not state function, heat is a path function because it depends upon path by which initial state change into final state. From which initial state change into final state. Thanks beta.